Cha, my name is Alexander Osei Kwam, Possible. You can call me Possible for short, from Ghana. In our previous lecture, we ended on qualities of a good essay. Today, we are going to look at how to create relationships, right, in an essay. Now, there are a lot of ways of creating relationship in an essay, such as referencing, such as the use of transitional markers, such as parallelism. We have a lot of ways, but today I'm going to discuss transitional markers. That's all. Because transitional markers is the best, or are the best. Now, the use of appropriate transitional markers. Now, we have two types of transitional markers. We have intra-transition and we have inter-transition, or intra-transitional marker and inter-transitional marker. Now, when you talk about the inter-transitional marker, we are talking about the use of transitional marker from one paragraph to another paragraph, or from one point to another point at the paragraph level. That is the inter. I hope it makes sense. So when we are moving from one paragraph to another paragraph, we use inter-transitional. I hope it makes sense. And when we talk about intra-transitional marker, we are saying that they are found within the paragraphs. In a sense, they help us to move from one sentence to another sentence within a paragraph. So what we are trying to say is that the inter-transitional marker helps us to move from one paragraph to another paragraph. Supposing we are treating the developing paragraph, which is the body, and we have finished talking about lack or inadequate sex education, and we want to talk about curiosity. If you are moving from the first point to the next point, which is the curiosity, we use inter-transitional marker, because you are moving from one paragraph to another paragraph. Inter. Now, if you are moving from also introduction to the body, we use inter. If you are moving from the body also to the conclusion, we use inter. So basically what we are saying, that moving from a paragraph to a paragraph is inter. But when you talk about the intra, we are talking about the use of transitional marker within the same paragraph. Maybe we are talking about lack of or inadequate sex education, but we want to add another point or another minor supporting sentence to the major supporting sentence or the topic sentence, but we want to introduce a transitional marker. The appropriate transitional marker to be used is intra-transitional marker. I hope it makes sense. Not only this, but also this, adding up to the points. Moreover, notwithstanding, however, all of this could be used in their right way. So I have told you that we have inter and intra-transitional marker. Listen to me very careful. It is very, very important to always employ transitional markers in your essay. That is why I've taken my time to treat it as a topic also. So go and search for different transitional markers and master minimum of 5 and maximum of somewhere 10, that you always use them when you're writing your essay. Once again, my name is Alexander Osei Kwam, Possible. In our next lecture, we are going to look at the discourse types. Discourse types.